The U.S. Health Secretary faced accusations, mostly from Democrats, that he broke his promise not to block access to vaccines. Good evening, I'm Steve Eager.
I'm Heather Hayes. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. pushed back on claims that he is dismantling public health policy, although he dodged some questions about his actions. Fox's Rebecca Castor followed today's Senate hearing.
It's a pivotal day for Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. as he defends his Make America Healthy Again agenda.
We at HHS are enacting a once-in-a-generation shift from a sick care system to a true health care system that tackles the root causes of chronic disease.
But not everyone thinks Kennedy is the right man for the job.
But RFK Jr.'s supposed solutions are not only wrong, they are downright dangerous.
Lawmakers, including Republican Senator and Dr. Bill Cassidy, are alarmed by some of Kennedy's recent moves. He's cut funding for mRNA vaccine research and changed COVID vaccine guidance for children and pregnant women.
You promised that you would not take away vaccines from anyone who wanted them. You just changed the classification of the COVID vaccine.
I'm not taking them away from people, Senator.
It takes it away if you can't get it from your pharmacist.
Well, most Americans are going to be able to get it from their pharmacy for free. Most Americans will be able to get it from their pharmacy for free.
The question is, everyone who wants it, that was your promise.
I never promised that I was going to recommend products for which there is no indication.
He's also shaking things up at the CDC. The director was fired by the White House just last week, and Kennedy replaced every member of a key vaccine advisory panel.
We are the sickest country in the world. That's why we have to fire people at CDC. They did not do their job.
Scientists and doctors are saying otherwise. They're all wrong, too. They're all lying, according to you.
The scientists and doctors are supporting me all over the country.
More than 1,000 current and former HHS employees and plenty of Democratic lawmakers are calling for Kennedy to resign.
You're the Secretary of Health and Human Services. You don't have any idea how many Americans died from COVID?
I don't think anybody knows that because there was so much data chaos coming out of CDC, and there were so many perverse incentives, and these are modeling
You don't know the answer of how many Americans died from COVID. This is the Secretary of Health and Human Services.
But his MAGA allies are cheering on his leadership.
President Trump and Secretary Kennedy have made a steadfast commitment to make America healthy again.
Kennedy's new vaccine advisory panel meets later this month, where they'll consider updated recommendations for COVID-19, RSV, and measles vaccines. In Washington, Rebecca Castor, Fox News.